Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find the x value. Solution: 2 power x plus 2 power x equal to 20. Here we are going to take 2 power x common out. So 2 power x, open bracket, 1 plus 1 equal to 20. Here 2 power x times 1 plus 1 is 2 equal to 20. Now 2 power x times 2 equal to 20. Now we are going to divide by 2 on both sides. Here 2. Now this 2 cancels this. Now we have 2 power x equal to 20 by 2. Now do simplify this. We'll get here 10. So 2 power x equal to 10. Here we are going to take a log on both sides. Log 2 power x equal to log 10. Here we are going to apply this log power formula, that is log m power n equal to n log m. This log power formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get here x log 2 equal to log 10. Now we are going to divide by log 2 on both sides. Log 2 here, here log 2. Now this 2 cancels this log 2. Here we have x equal to log 10 by log 2. Here this 10 can be written as 2 times 5. So this we are going to apply here. X equal to log 2 times 5 whole divided by log 2. Here we are going to apply log product formula. Log a b equal to log a plus log b. This log formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get here x equal to log 2 plus log 5 whole divided by log 2. Here we are going to apply this one. A plus b by c equal to a by c plus b by c. This we are going to apply here. So this will be log 2 by log 2 plus log 5 by log 2. Now this log 2 cancels this. Here it is 1. So x equal to 1 plus log 5 by log 2. Here we are going to apply this log formula, that is log a by log b equal to log a base b. This formula we are going to apply here. So here x equal to 1 plus log 5 base 2. This is the x value. Now we are going to verify this x value with the given equation. Now here we are going to verify this. Here x is equal to 1 plus log 5 base 2. Here the given equation is 2 power x plus 2 power x equal to 20. Here we are going to apply this x here. So 2 power x plus 2 power x equal to 20. Here we are going to take 2 power x common out. So 1 plus 1 equal to 20. Here 2 power x times 1 plus 1 is 2 equal to 20. Now here we are going to apply this x value here. 2 power 1 plus log 5 base 2 times 2 equal to 20. Express identity that a power m plus n equal to a power m times a power n. This express identity we are going to apply here. So we'll get 2 power 1 times 2 power log 5 base 2 times 2 equal to 20. Now this 2 power 2 is 2 times log 5 base 2 times 2 equal to 20. Here we are going to apply this a power log b base a equal to b. This one we are going to apply here. So we'll get here 2 times, as per this formula here, 5 times 2 equal to, this is 20. Now here 2 times 5 is 10 times this 2 equal to 20. Here 10 times 2 is 20 equal to 20. So LHS equal to RHS. Here this is verified. Thanks for watching this video.